Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Happy String by NKS. This is Kanika Jasoria. So today we are here to do something interesting. We will make illusion art. Okay, for that we just take a compass and take a scale and take a measurement 3 radius. Take a 3 radius in your compass and make a circle with 3 radius. Okay, so your circle size will be 6 inches. 3 inches plus 3 inches, it will be 6 inches. Hope you all can see. So our circle is ready. Now what you need to do is keep your scale in the middle and put one dot. This will be your middle line. Okay, you can make a middle line with the marker. Now you need to make a curve from one side to another. Similarly, we will make a curve from one side to another. Now take another dot and make again a curvy line and one more. Fine. Similarly in right side. And one more in this way. Okay. Now what you need to do is just make a sleeping line with the marker. Okay, and we will follow same steps here. From one side to another, from one side to another. Okay, and same from one side to another and one side to another. Okay, so now what you need to do is we will fill the checks with black marker. How? You just learn one black and leave one block with white. Okay, then one again black and then white, then black. In this way you need to cover it. Now we will make rest of the lines. How we will make? This is very simple. You need to use your scale or ruler and make a line with the marker. You need to use your scale and easily you can make lines. Okay? And try, you will touch this line, then this. Again, put on a line from here till here. In this way, you need to complete it. Okay? Similarly, please don't cut your globe. Okay? Please don't cut your circle. In this way. Now, again, similarly, we will make these lines in this way. In this way we will make checks. Now what we need to do is we need to one check black and one white. One black, one white. Leave one white then black. In this way we need to do. Again, similarly, this you need to leave, and this will be black. Then one leaf, black, one leaf, one black. In this way, we need to cover our whole sheet along with the globe. Now, so in this way, you need to cover your whole sheet, black and white, black and white. Okay? So, your illusion art is ready. Hope you like this video, and please try it at home. It looks very nice. Thank you for watching us, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. If you want to see more videos, do subscribe and like this video.